Y'all already know what's good, man. We in the building with it. Samsung S24 Ultra. I'm not even gonna hold you any longer. Let's go ahead and get it. What's good, Josh? Your man Wayne Trainer. We are back with another joint. We got that Samsung S24 Ultra in the building, y'all. It's here. They told me it was supposed to be here on the 31st. It was like, yeah, Wayne, we got a little, you know, we got a couple extra joints. We trying to send this out to you real quick. Like, we don't want you to wait. You know, we don't really want you to wait like that. So I was like, you know what, Samsung, go ahead and do your thing. Send it over. I got you. That's not what happened. I lied. But we about to get into this joint right now. Let's go ahead and get it. Unboxing real quick. I actually did order a few extras. So whatever is in this box, we're only gonna be concerned with the phone. Everything else we'll save for another video. That's not what happened. I lied. Let's go ahead and see what we got. All right, S24 Ultra. 2 years in a row for me, man. I'm out here. All right, so I'm gonna throw that to the side. They got me wrapped up in the eco stuff. All right. Oh, look at this. They got the whole kit and caboodle. So let's go ahead and throw this right up under the desk. Let's go ahead and do it like that. So what we got here? The S-View wallet case. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see that. S-View wallet case. Got. Did my dumb butt order 2 screen protectors? I think my dumb butt orders 2 screen protectors. So, maybe we'll do an application. I don't know. So we got 2 of them joints, and then right here is the blue joint. We got that blue joint. Quick little story, I guess. I went up to Best Buy right after the event. They actually had them up there on display. I seen the purple joint. The purple was the one I was actually gonna get. Seen the purple, and I ain't gonna lie, like, it was a really nice color. It looked really good, but the sides were like on the gold side, so that kind of threw me off a little bit. And I was like, I don't know. Like, it still looked good, but I'm like, you know what? I want to see what the other ones is hitting for. There was another one that would be this blue color. I don't even know how blue it is. I don't think it's gonna be that blue, but regardless, I started looking at that one. I'm like, there's something about this one. Let's go ahead and check this one out. I very well could have made a grave mistake because I might not like this color, but honestly, I ain't gonna go through the trouble and the hassle of like sending it back just for a color. We gonna rock with it. I do like the contrast of the colors on this joint. So like, it's blue with the dark gray sides. So that's what I'm into. Let's go ahead and check it out though. Oh, we don't even need the knife. Don't even need the knife. I forgot about that. So y'all already know how Samsung unboxing experiences are these days. No charge in the box. You get a cable, but very lackluster, nothing crazy. Bow. Hold up. Let me get that to y'all real quick. Let's see. I'm gonna need y'all to just chill out for a second. I need y'all to relax just for a moment. Hold up. I'm trying to gather myself. Ladies and gentlemen, your boy Wayne chose the right color. This one is nice. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Hold on, I didn't even take it out yet. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look, all right. I actually want to see what this joint looked like. And like, because I heard it's a little bit of a color shift, you know, depending on the sunlight. But I don't know, man. I'm feeling it. Like, I gotta adjust my colors on this side, but I'm gonna let y'all peep over here. Yeah, that's about accurate. What you're seeing on here is about for real. I love the contrast. I love the dark sides. Yeah, I made the right choice. I think I made the right choice. I'm not gonna lie to you. Matte on the back. It looked like a nice little clean bar of soap. Like, you just ready to, man, Come on now. Come on now. Let's check out this display. Everybody been talking about this display, anti-reflective or whatever. And let me see. Since this is going back, we're gonna go ahead and just peel this screen protector off of the S23 Ultra. So we can go ahead and compare these two real quick. Oh, yo, hold up. My boy, what's his name? Mark's Tech. That's where I was hearing it from first. I watched one of his videos. He was talking about the anti-reflective screen. Yo, no cap. No cap. Peep. Like, it's gonna be really hard to oh man, it's hard to really tell on camera. So like, I'm gonna let y'all, man, if y'all can tell, hit the comments for sure. But I'm telling you, in person, it's very noticeable. It is. Like, it's not like, is it like one of them things like, this is something that you gotta, like, I'm gonna buy the phone for this? No, absolutely not. But it's noticeable. And oh, okay, yeah, I seen a little color shift right there. Just a little bit. Like, it looks a little bit more muted when you look at it face, like this. Now flip it, you see a little bit more of that blue. So let's see what that S Pen looking like. Yeah, same, nothing crazy. Okay, nice. That S Pen smell. Flat display. This could be a long joint. But sit back, relax, enjoy, man. S24 Ultra in the building. I'll be right back with y'all. What's good, y'all? So we back. I went ahead and took the liberty of doing all the initial setup stuff, like getting the Samsung Smart Switch on my Google stuff, transferred over. SIM card and everything is installed, so we are ready to go. I'm also gonna go ahead and do a quick installation of the screen protector, just because I'm getting a little nervous. You know, I don't want to go ahead and scratch up this nice, beautiful, brand new device. So let's go ahead and get into the screen protector real quick, and then we'll dive into some of the extra features. We'll check out some of the AI stuff, that circle to search. I know a lot of people want to check out. So let's go ahead and move over to the phone. Go ahead and get my screen protector. We got the anti-reflecting screen protector. Let's go ahead and do that. Now, I'm mad about two of these joints. Like, especially if it comes with two. What do I need four? I don't know. But anyway, let's see, we got this. We got some stuff at the bottom here, it looks like. What is this? Hold on. Alright, see. Now we gotta use for the knife. There we go. Okay. I just don't know what this is. Alright, here we go. I think it's like squeegees and stuff. Alright, cool. My floor is all over the place. So we got, it's like a guide. Looks like. I'll be honest with you. I'm about to raw dog this. Alright. Right. That off. And then I'll put this up. Let's take the thing off now. Okay. All right. I feel like I got a dust bite up in there. Oh well, at this point. So Definitely got, I'm mad as a mug right there. I'm so angry. I got a little dust joint up in there, but that's just gonna have to be there. But we all installed. Let me go ahead and clean up and we'll be right back. All right, so for the longest I've been calling it, I guess AI with Samsung is advanced intelligence, not artificial intelligence, but oh well. So they kind of give you a quick little walkthrough, see basic features, personalize your phone, choose your thing, or choose how to get around, blah, blah, blah. We ain't going there. We know most of the stuff there. Advanced intelligence, let's go here. So all this is what we got new for the S24 Ultra. Starting with circle to search, translate phone calls. We'll do maybe a separate video on some of this other stuff. Translate while chatting, I'll probably demonstrate that. Translate conversations. See, auto format note text. Summarize, blah, 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 whatever. I kind of wanted to try out this circle to search thing, so we're gonna go right into that. So let's tap on that. All right, touch and hold the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen, then hold or tap the text image or images to learn more and explore. Whatever. So let's see, learn more and explore. So bow, touch and hold the handle. Okay, I see you. You can search this man's shoe. And then bow, you get greeted with some shoes. Okay, that seems solid. Now I want to take it to the streets. Let's go to the streets of Twitter. Let me see, let me go up here. Bow, let me refresh real quick. All right, so look at this, here we go. My man Latrell got a little smart switch thing, the brilliant smart switch. I've always wanted to try this thing out, but honestly, let me see where you picked that up from, bro. Let me see. See if this works. Wow, look at that. Four-way switch panel, same thing. You know, they got it at B&H Photo. I can go pick it up from there. Okay, feeling it. And you can kind of, that's funny because then you can just kind of move this box around and search for text in the field. Ooh, what is this? All right. So once you exit it down, then it kind of goes away. But cool. Okay, let's check out this. So we got caseology for the Pixel 8 Pro. Let's see. This might get a little dicey. So let's go ahead and circle this phone here. Maybe it'll show me the case. Ooh, that's not bad. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a little bit of a pushback, seeing that it didn't show me the one for the Pixel 8 Pro. Instead, they did show me the case, but for the Pixel 7. But I'm not gonna go too crazy on that. It's a brand new phone. Maybe, you know, people ain't really looking for this like that, but yeah, I like it though. All right, look at this. Oppo. Let's see what we're talking about. Let me see. Google even know what y'all know about Oppo. Wow, Find X7. They find it. They found the Find X7. Okay. So yeah, man, that circle to search might be legit. You can move it around. I want to see this color. Let me see what that black info. So yeah, man, I like it. I really do. I like it. I can see myself using this. I really can. I apologize if I was a little bit out of focus, but let me see. Let me make sure y'all good, because I don't want y'all to. Okay. Yeah, man. So that's circle to search. I want to go back and see if there's some other tech. Oh yeah, the translate stuff. So I'm gonna take it over here to text message. All right, here's a conversation I'm having with my guy. I'm trying to sell one of my paint guns. So it's just all English. Now, what you can do is go over here to text. Oops, I'm gonna put the S Pen away for a second. All right, hit that little button over there, chat translation. Let me see if I can get y'all right. So then you get at the top here, you can change it to whatever language you want. So I'm gonna do it from English. Oops, damn, what happened? Hold up, let's do this again. From English to Spanish. What we at? Wow. So now you got my text messages. Yo, what's up? Sorry to hit you up so early in the morning. Just wanted to see what you thought about the gun. And then right underneath it is a translation. You can kind of see that. I know I got my brightness up, but yeah. Yo que es lo que pasa? Siento. I can't speak Spanish. I'm trying. I wish I could, man. But yeah, man, that's to translate the conversation. Then you can also, let's see, let's go here. And then you can enter your text. So if I want to say something in English, like, let me know because, oops, because I can't type. I have someone interested. Okay. Bow. Then it puts in the text field the translation. I don't know about you. That's pretty legit. For somebody like me who can't speak Spanish, and I'm trying to speak with somebody who does, and now if that's their #1 language, dope. Absolutely dope. I want to save some of the other stuff for another video. I did want this just to be a kind of quick setup, installation, screen protector. We got all that done. Checked out the circle to search, checked out the translation. Those are probably my 2 favorite features from what we got. We'll go in depth maybe for the full review later down the line. I don't want y'all to expect that to come too soon because I'm gonna live with this thing for a while. We'll kind of dissect some of this stuff as time goes on. Anyway, that's all I'm gonna have for this video. I want y'all to like, I want y'all to subscribe, I want y'all to share, I want y'all to do it up for your boy. All right, this year is gonna be big, I hope, because I'm trying. I'm gonna try a little bit harder this year. But anyway, it's your man Wayne Train. We out.